1 minute, I will show you the difference between brass and bronze. First, let's talk about brass. It's a mix of copper and zinc, shining with a golden color, kind of like the handle of expensive furniture. The inside is super friendly and easy to work with. Brass is great of machining. It's like cutting through the butter with CNC, so smooth. We often use it for precision parts, faucets and musical instruments. And when you cut it, you will hear that beautiful ding-ding sound. Almost makes you want to play with Christmas carols on it. Now, let's talk about bronze. It's the love child of copper and tin. Sounds romantic, right? But actually it's called wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant. It's like the material that will withstand anything you throw at it and still perform like it's brand new. Bronze has a deeper, more mature color like an old soldier with years of experience. It's used in bushings, gears, ship parts, basically in environments that need something tough and reliable. So what's the difference? Simple, brass is easier to machine, while bronze is more durable. But here's the catch. Don't get them mixed up. One time, a customer sent me a drawing with bronze written on it. After double checking, I found out they actually wanted brass. If I hadn't asked, they would be crying in the workshop after their parts didn't fit. That's why before I start machining anything, I always double check material composition, harness, and the application. Can't miss any details. Knowing there saves your money, and hey, it even earns you a couple of extra cups of the bubble tea. I'm Chole, the joke master and hands-on person of the workshop. Next time someone can tell the difference between brass and bronze, just send them this video. Don't hesitate.